we're back at it again. Welcome. It's day 14. Today's day 14, and we're gonna start by we're gonna play around with OpenAI because they just released something called Assistants, which we're gonna play around with and see if we can one create an assistant that helps us generate TikTok video or short form video content that will help us go viral, taking blog content, turning that into a 2 minute or less video with a script. And yeah, I'm trying to understand the process between, like, how do I want to create content? Do I want to start with keyword research and then build blog posts, post that blog post? Or do I first want to create templates and then create a bunch of blog posts from the templates? Or do I want to actually let's take a chance to and ask ChatGPT. Also, for all those that are wondering, why do I use ChatGPT for like every single thing? The reason why is, and it's the same reason why I'm always streaming or try to stream. It's because I'm trying to document the process and show that really anyone can do this now with in 2023 and 2024 moving on, now that we have AI. There's really like the sky is the limit. Anyone can really do anything. All you need to do is just put in the work. And if you're not a if you're not a coder or you're not a marketing person, or ChatGPT will help you and assist you. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to think of the process for creating content for GTM Labs. I do want to hit short form video content that I can post on TikTok, Reels, Shorts, YouTube Shorts. And I'm trying to think of the starting point and then how that starting point can branch off into other content. So I'm gonna just speak my mind and you rationalize what's the best option to move forward with. So I'm thinking either using and focusing on SEO and finding keywords to create blog posts from, and then from those blog posts to create templates that will then be linked in the blog post. But the problem with that is if I create the blog post and publish it, then I create the templates and I publish that to my website and put a form so that people fill in their emails and I capture leads. Then I would then have to take that link from the form, or not even the link of the form, but the link of the web page where the form is located. Then go back into the blog post and then edit and then put that in and see where I can put in the link, which might require me to add a couple more sentences. So then I'm thinking maybe I should start with SEO, find the keyword, and then build a bunch of templates off of that keyword. And then think about the blog post. All I can do is I can just create a bunch of blog posts regarding sorting categories like positioning, messaging, competitive intelligence, partnerships. And once I have at least 10 templates of, let's just say I focus on competitive intelligence and partnerships, and let's say I have 10 of each, I can then just focus on the keywords, then build the blog posts, then link internally to the template pages so I can capture leads. And then from there, take the blog post and then create short form video or scripts, turn that into videos. And then also in the videos, I can direct people to the templates. Period. Or another thing I could do is I could focus on just making tutorial videos, like how to's for like competitive intelligence and partnerships. And then in those videos, link or talk about and mention templates. And then take that, anywhere from like 5 to 15-minute video that's on YouTube, and then make short form videos from that video. Period. What do you think is the best way to make content? Need a haircut. That's actually a good idea. Hmm. Okay. Let's see. Short form video. Develop scripts based on the blog post and create short form videos for platforms like TikTok, Instagram. These videos should highlight key points from the blog and develops in templates with CTAs, directing viewers to access full resource on your website. Tutorial videos. Tutorial videos. Create longer tutorial videos for YouTube that provide in-depth guidance on competitive intelligence and partnership. These videos reinforce the value of your templates and direct accuracy to them. You know, I just realized, I just considered something. I could do a newsletter, and then in that newsletter, anytime I come up with new templates, it would just be in there. I could just link to it. But I need a place to store it though. Oh, so I think what happens is there has to be probably like there's probably like a Substack, or there's probably like a newsletter where when they subscribe, the thank you page redirects to a Notion page that has all of the templates, and it'd be like a public Notion page. Yeah, I think that might be it. So I think that might be the move. I need to see. I need to add that to my to-do list. Let's see. This should be more like a project. Let me delete these. Projects. This will be tools, news. So instead of having, yeah, dude, actually that's actually the move. It's a newsletter, because here's why. This is really important. I currently have experience managing a newsletter for Unite Us, and currently, well, previously for Unite Us, and currently for CoSensus. And like literally just really like launched a newsletter today for CoSensus. We have an email newsletter, and then we also have a LinkedIn newsletter. So what I could do is the call to actions will be sign up for my newsletter to get access to all of my previous templates and all of the future templates. And then yeah, I can keep releasing, and then it'll be like a blog. It'll just be like a blog, and then with a template. And then on the newsletter also too, can be like we can link to like the podcast that we shot. So basically like three things. Like a podcast, which is like super insightful, actionable, the template, which is like a resource and a tool, and then like a blog. The blog is like probably going at the bottom. So featured would be blog post, featured section, or like in case you missed it. Yeah, just it'll be like in case you missed it, blog post, or sorry, podcast, blog post, and then the next section would be we'll just call it resource roundup, and then just like the template, just one template. All I need to figure out a tool or a platform that is like a newsletter platform that has when a sign up redirect. Because the thing is that with these forms, it's not really building a community, right? It's not building a community. And it's nice that it's on the landing page, but the thing is, is that I have to create a separate form for every single template. So I have to create its own landing page, right? So the like let's just say there's like a CI platform evaluator calculator. I have to create a landing page for that, which has like a headline, subheadline. Then I have to go to job form, create a specific form for that, that then the thank you page redirects to a Notion template. And then from that Notion template, that's where they get access. So that's like two different things that I have to recreate. No, well, three things, right? Create the landing page, create the forum, and then create the actual template. With the newsletter, all I have to do is create the landing page, plug in the same newsletter, and then all the templates will be hosted on one specific like page. So it'll be a page, like a gallery page on Notion, and then you can click on like a card, and then that'll take you to the actual template, which is like easy to do. That's how I'm envisioning it. Kind of like this. Look, if I were to show you, if I go to my sales page, let me just actually create that. Um, so you see here how I have these cards here. So these could be templates. Like instead of companies, it'll just say templates. And then it can be broken down into like competitive intelligence, messaging, blah blah blah. And then like they click on something and it'll just like show all the templates. And then when they click on this, it'll just be there could be like a page here that redirects, or we can figure that out later. But the important thing is that yeah, that's awesome. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I think I found it. Okay, I think it's Beehive. What are some creative newsletter Letter names for there's also Substack. I heard of Substack. For bloggers? What is this? Maybe I already have something. No, I don't, huh? I don't have a newsletter. Hmm. Is there a pricing page? Hmm. What is this? How much does it cost though? Holy fuck, wait. Just focus on Beehive then. Um, I'll start for free. Um, oh, so there's one thing I wanted to check is my name is Giovanni, and I was just thinking about like my title for GTM Labs is technically like excuse me. It's technically like founder or CEO, founder, whatever. But I think that's so corny and cliche and so cringe that I don't like calling myself a founder or entrepreneur or CEO. What I do is product marketing, and I will die on that hill because, like I said before, I may have started gtmlabs.io, but when you contract or you buy or purchase GTM Labs, you're essentially buying a product marketer. You're buying a product marketing engine that runs, and so I'm doing product marketing at GTM Labs. I'm not like leading a team. It's just me. I'm just a product marketer. You know, so it's like so cringe to say like founder at gtmlabs.io. Oh no. So I was thinking like, hmm, I like how when it says on LinkedIn, people just say product marketing at LinkedIn or product marketing at blah blah blah. And I was like, product marketing at, and I was like, GTM Labs is kind of lengthy. And I was like, what if it's like at joe.io? Sounds cool. Joe.io. Joe.io. Is it taken? Oh, you can't search. It's unavailable. Who took it though? What's joe.com? It's available, but you have to like, people are buying joe.io. Joe.ai. Bro, what the Joe.ai is available for 145,000 US dollars. Yeah, sure, I'll take it. Well, dreams are killed. Okay, I gotta open this up. Where is it? Let me get my water. Um, okay. I have an existing newsletter. Oh shit. Oh. I'll just continue for now. No, let's choose a color subdomain. What? Ooh. We can talk about AI. Ah, oh, damn. I guess know where I live now. Well, I'm in Argentina, so it don't really matter to me. Wait, I shouldn't have said that. Yeah, let's just shut up now. Oh, huh. I like that. How is this not in my bookmark? Okay. Guess I won't. Okay, hold up. Hold up. Oh, Mm, it has to be a one-liner. Mm, that doesn't make sense. Like customer to custom. Wow, we're so glad to have you here. I mean, I like it. It's funny, but a non-customer can definitely subscribe to the newsletter. This can be anyone that like lands on our page, on our website. I should also mention that we're going to be using a lot of templates that we create for product marketing. It can be anything from messaging, comma positioning, comma competitive intelligence, comma partnerships, and then using the newsletter as a way to get leads. Once they enter their email and they become a subscriber to the newsletter, they'll get access to all of the past templates plus all of the future incoming templates through the newsletter. But that doesn't really need to be communicated in the thank you message or the one liner. I just want to give you that for context. That non customers can subscribe to the newsletter. I like it. Can we do better? Okay, now I'm working on a new survey form. This is where people come to subscribe to the newsletter, and I need a title and a description with the purpose of it being helpful to provide a prompt to fill out the form for the subscribers. And I also need a call to action text. What the fuck? I'm so confused. Oh, this is a survey form. What the f was draft? Logo, one line description. I now need a one line description of the newsletter. We'll do that later. Domains. Look, a lot of these are gonna be premium. Feed. Feed. There we go. Here it is. I can do it. Okay, perfect. So, should we build that now? I would say, like, who cares? We should do a. Let's see, how did I do this? I created databases. I created templates. I feel like I can. Was this? Templates. I feel like I can. Not a team space, but blank page. This will be called newsletter. Actually, no, I think it would be called templates, right? Then here, slash call out. This will be called databases. Slash page. This will be called templates. Templates. And then we'll create a table. Ah, nope. Table. New. We call templates. This will be categories, right? And then we'll do like product marketing, messaging. This will be positioning. This will be CI. This will be partnerships. Where did CI go? Okay, competitive intelligence. Cool. And then we'll get rid of all these because we'll leave the partnerships one. And I think I have to move like all of the docs. So I'll move the, I think I could just move that in here, no? So that's a table. And this is this a table? No, it's not a table. Damn. So I have all this. I wonder if I can move this? Turn into a it's already a page. So I should be able to move this now. Move this into a, nope. Nope. You know what I'll do? Here, this is getting confusing. This is my templates, okay. I'll call this data base, and then this will be the templates table. And I think I can move something in here. Okay, now that it's distinguished, let's go back. I'm pretty sure I can move this. If I can move this, that'll be sick, dude. So, did I move it? Oh. Wait. Okay, let me try it again. For sure, for sure. Okay, partnerships. So like this one has something in it. I just want to see that like if I do something, if I move it, I move it in here, it'll show up. Dude, there we go. That's awesome. Okay, so let's go back to this. And let's do like, can we do all of these? Fuck. Can we do it like this? Oh, cool. And this is, okay, hold on. I feel like in this, well, it's already in here, right? Get rid of this. Right? And then now we have this. That's the database. And then we can do like, boom. We can keep these. Whoa. And then now we could just do a table, it'll be easier. And then just do like link, table, table view, and then we'll do template table. Boom. Boom. Delete. Okay, Join products, Severus roadmap template. This is partnerships, partnership exit strategy, partnerships, partnerships, communicated protocol template, partnerships, partnership onboarding, joint product, joint marketing calendar, partnerships, partner evaluation, partnership MOU, partnership proposal, CI, AutoCore template, market positioning template, competitive analysis template, competitive insights gathering template, see a platform evaluation template. Cool. And then we can do list. Shit. Oops. I should have did a list view, edit view by. Okay, what else do I need? Oh, here, look, check this out. Gallery. Show data title. Okay, yeah, page cover. To side peak. Boom. Oh, dude, that's sick. Yo, bro, I'm so excited for people to come in and like get this. That's awesome. And then I wonder, so if I publish this page, damn, homie just got catcalled. So I don't want them to delete this. Maybe this goes somewhere else. Enter a new one. That's pretty cool. Hmm. Or I guess maybe I can do another page. Yeah, I can always make another page and then do the view like that. That way they don't have access to the data and they can't delete the data. Okay, that's cool. Oh wait, what the fuck? What did I do? Damn, that's crazy. And then if I could just share this page, publish. And they can sort by new too. I can sort by new. Share, publish. Link expires never. Ah, allow editing, no. Allow comments, no. Allow duplicates of templates. For now, let's turn that off. Nice. Doesn't work. Don't know why. I don't know why it doesn't work. But if I do this one, do this. So this one works. Okay. But if I go, okay, there we go. So I want this. Boom, look. And then I can redirect to this. Actually, before I do, let's actually go back and change it. For real, for real. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Fuck. Did something on settings. Share. Settings or something. Publish. Settings. I can go here and do like BTM Labs.io. Boom, like that. Update. Boom, okay. That seems to work. So if I click here, bro, perfect. Perfect. Bro, come on. Okay, let's go back to the what? Oh, ChatGPT is down. Okay, cool. Thank you and welcome. Boom. So that'll be our process. Our process is going to be from going from the going from the LinkedIn page, and actually it all works out. Like even though I changed right now the URL to GTM Labs for Notion, nothing is broken because all of the links, all of the internal links in our blogs point to our website. So our website has a landing page for each specific template. And then the only thing we're going to do to let that landing page is swap out that jot form for our Beehive GTM newsletter. So all we need to do is go to our website, and then for each landing page that we have, just copy one of these. What's the difference between? So look, actually, let's do it right now. Very easy. Anyways, what's this? Anyways, so let's go to it looks different here. Okay. So what we need to do is go to here and look, get rid of this here, and then just put in this HTML. I think it's HTML. Boom. There we go. Or which one's better? This one? I mean, it's so bare bones, dude. Like, and then once I enter it, boom, that's what we gotta do. Instead of having this and then like, because the problem with this is that we have to go to the job form and then create literally a new form every single time. Now we can just like literally just like duplicate like duplicate this and then just swap out the, not even swap it out because it'll have the same, HTML link. It's the same newsletter. That's way more efficient, dude. That's way more efficient. Bro, big brain, dude. Big brain. For sure, big brain. Boom, just like that. Of course, I'm gonna go in and like I'm gonna make it like look really nice and pretty. Like I'm not just gonna have this. I'm gonna add a description, add maybe like a picture, add another description. Like I'm gonna go, I'm just this is like the bones of it, like foundation. We're gonna go in, make it pretty, put some cosmetics on it, some eyeliner, some makeup, some glamour, some this and that. Make it look chic. Um, but right now we're just we're just trying to see like where the connections are, and then once we have the connection, we're start gonna start to draw in with a bigger paintbrush, and then that's it. And then if we wanted to, like, all we gotta do is then like, yeah, dude, this is good, and it'll point to this. They have access to all of this. Yeah, yeah, dude. Yeah, bro, this is awesome. Look, if I fill this out, I'll have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 3, 18, 19, like 19 different templates. Yo, isn't that awesome? Like 19 templates, competitive intelligence, like partnerships to get started. And we can create other like views too, I think. Wait, I'm curious. What does it look like from if we do like a guest? Do they have the option to? Oh, that's awesome. That's sick, dude. That's sick. Yo, look at these templates. This is awesome. Yo, partnerships. What about sort? Oh, sort by category. Oh, ascending too. So they can be like ascending. Oh, I can do this for them. Name. Yeah, dude, that's awesome. Not even partnerships. Just get rid of it, and just do like ascending. So like, this is like the last one created. So I need to like create all of these here. This is awesome. I can't wait. I can't wait, dude. Awesome. What happens if I click on that? This is sick. I can copy it. Are they able to like? This is sick, dude. This is awesome. I'm really excited, dude. This is legit, dude. Yo, this is awesome. And it still points. Nothing is broken. So going from the blog to the landing page right here, to this landing page right here, like this landing page here. They input in their email. The email takes them to this. Let's go. Let's go. I'm excited. So again, from blog post, in the blog post, links to a landing page. From the landing page, in the landing page, it has a subscribe where they can put in their email for our newsletter. And then for when they enter their email on the newsletter, it takes them to the thank you page, which is this right here. Damn. Then moving forward, every time we create a new template, the first place it populates is in the newsletter. So the newsletter, they get access to that template directly, and then we just put it in here. So like in the template, it'll just have a link to, like, let's say it's just this one. It'll be like this link here. It'll be that page. That's awesome, dude. I'm really excited. Now I want to like keep creating this business because this is like legit. Now that like the pieces are coming together and I'm starting to see like something actually forming and creating, it's like super motivating to like just keep pushing and keep working. Like that's all I want to do now is just work. Like as soon as my eyes open to as soon as my eyes close, I just want to like work. It's just gym, God, and work. That's all I'm doing now. I'm just super focused. I'm super excited. Oh man! And tomorrow we have a podcast guest. What, bro? What? What is going on? That is insane, yo. Damn, damn. Life is good, dude. Life is good. Good. All right, let's keep going back to work. Okay, let's go back. Publications. Manage your publications below. Oh, this could be like a. Oh, dude, we don't even need this domain because we have the embed, so we can just create. Let me exit out of this. We don't need this right now. We could just create like literally a newsletter, like we can create a newsletter landing page on here in resources. Just put in a newsletter, and then it'll be something like this, or maybe more closely like this, like this. It'll be like a picture of the newsletter, what you get out of it, and then we can probably embed the smaller one onto here at the bottom. Honestly, we could just copy this and then get rid of this here. Do something really quick. But we'll do that like tomorrow. We don't need this. Team. Publication. Thumbnail. Let's do a GTM Labs. Oh. That was cool too. This one's better though. Oh, I don't know which one. I have to save it. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, domains, premium, imports, server forms. This is the only one that I like. I don't get is it doesn't ask for the GTM Labs newsletter header description. Enter your email. Subscribe. Okay, so if you view it, yeah, that's fine. Okay, what's next? What is this? Design lab. What is this? What the design lab? Oh, this is Giovanni Tovar, Beehive, Forum, blah 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 blah. One, two. Okay, hold on. Well, there's a lot. Spacing, body text. Oh, heading 6. What was it at? Was it at 14? I don't know. Anyways, I trust it. Email header. We'll fix this later. This isn't really that important. I mean, it is, but like as of right now, we got other things to worry about. Um, that's design. Okay, that's design lab website. Analytics. Remember this pages. Customize your landing page. Meta title, meta description, home page, title, page. Okay, do this later. Okay, awesome. Awesome sauce. All right, should we try to go to sleep now or what? What are next? Tomorrow. Oh, I need to see if my friend responded to me. What the what?
JavaScript.
The man made me question my. Let's see. No, dude, no. You should look. Listen, chica, stay hard. Well, you've been bulking for 120 days and are still cross-ration shreds the bone. You have God-given genetics. Keep utilizing them and you're at the top. What are these comments? No, Dad, talk to me when you're not. This man's going places. Look, calculate goddamn gains. Rose face. This is Zeke. Good job with that. Oh, dude. Good job. Little rice yo, bro. No. Good job, little Texas Instrument 84 plus CE graphic calculator. What is these? Oh, bro. This to go back to TikTok, bro. I can't handle these comments. Bro, ves que los distintos y ninguna era bachata. El vale, el vale lo lleva en la sangre y me avisan cuando le acerco. She's so happy. Stay low. These comments, bro. What the? Wait, what happened to the Peruvian girl? I was on a break for a second. Tough to win with them no matter what I feel like. I feel you, period. I feel like I have a better chance of it altering my DNA and being gay. I mean, turning gay than I do with finding a good girl. Bro, just hit her with it. That's almost biggest. Yo. That- Okay, it's enough IG. My friend did hit me up. She barely hit me up, but I'm gonna respond tomorrow. Restroom, then focus on. I think next steps is next steps is definitely to create a to invite my friend. So it's on her calendar. Um, so we gotta go use Canbox. And I don't think I have it. Oh, I do. Ooh, double. Perfect. But it's actually this should be this or this. Should be this. Oh, I think I know why. Let's. That's cute. Grow, monetize. Oh, referral program. I'll worry about that later. Um, I should also save this, make it easier. Dude, this is so exciting, bro. This is exciting. Yo, this is legit exciting. But yeah, let's start the next one. So I had this here. We can get rid of that. This will be the correct one. Do you use Zoom link or do we talk over the phone? What works? Shoot, what's the I think it's on here. And what's the what was the name of the app that I was using? Oh, you know what? I think it'll just come up here if I go to calendar. And if I do like for tomorrow, so for me, so she's down for. I'm still ET, 7 ET, still 7 ET. Oh, 7 sessions. So it's sessions.us. Log in. So let me show you. So I'm using sessions for this. They have an events. I'm gonna go and try to figure out what the settings I want for the event. I'm just going down one by one right now. So this is for regular meetings, automatic recording, automatic transcripts. I want that on. Email follow-ups. Okay, so widgets, participants, polls. Yeah. Recording, full-size videos in recording. So video streams that appear in your recordings will be scaled to occupy all space available. This setting does not alter the video stream's aspect ratio, but may reduce overall quality. Ooh. During conference. Oh, this is the event right here. Event template. So lock session, approve each attendee before they can join. Request email, consent, memory only attendee, moderators, screen sharing, speaker and host. Reactions, everyone. Allow camera. Everyone. Microphone. Everyone. Hide inactive participants. Automatic recording. Automatic transcripts. Oh shit. 5 minutes. View agenda. Everyone. Okay. You know what? I guess I can add a member, right? So I can add Giovanni. At gtmlabs.io. Giovanni. Role is owner. Country is the US. There we go. Oh. What does that do? This invitation. Want to import multiple members. Let's just confirm this. Hopefully that works. And then owner, member roles. Editor. Okay, cool. Custom branding. Oof, delete that. Let's update. Upload. I actually do like that one. I do like that one. I'm gonna name that as the ATM Labs logo. Pretty cool. My product tool, what is this? Add product. Let's do GTM again. Product root URL. What did it have here? Product demo. Website. This website shows let's see if it works. That's pretty cool. That's actually really cool. Does this work? It'd be crazy if it works. Oh, it's a you can log in. Cool. Custom domain. I think I already got this, right? At your Oh, it worked. Yeah, yeah, I got it already. Wait, does it work? I don't know. All right, events. This is neat. Stakeholders. This should be a room, to be honest. Yeah, I think it should be a room. No, you know what? Let's do the event, and then we'll just duplicate it. So it'll be like custom tailored meet the stakeholders. We have today joining us. We have Courtney Pellegrini. Don't ask me how I know how to pronounce your last name. Pellegrini. Oh, that looks actually sick, dude. Meet the stakeholders, and then it's just the name, Courtney Pellegrini. So tomorrow, um, so today, 1:30, it'll be for this is 7, so 8 p.m. my time. 9. Free event. Like that. Yeah. Ooh. Damn, too bad it doesn't work. Oh, it works now. Um, okay, I need a description for Meet the Stakeholders podcast that I'm going to be having with my fellow colleague. Her name is Courtney. And here is a little bit about her. Think about this as the description that will go on the events page. It's good. My questions are, does it encapsulate the questions that we will be asking during this podcast? It's good. My question is, does it encapsulate the questions that we'll be asking during this podcast? Period. I think also adding a little bit of like how we have worked closely together on the same product during Unite Us. Dude, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm gonna look at my haircut tomorrow, dude. I'm gonna look all spiffy and like I'm gonna stand on business tomorrow. I'm gonna stand on. I don't know. That's not even like the right terminology for this. Um, water. Oh, there you go. Oh, it doesn't even like. Yeah, I don't think it's weird. I think it's weird that it's for a podcast. I think it makes more sense to do a room instead. You know what I'm saying? So let's go back. Let's go to rooms. Hmm. Okay. Let's go here and go all the way down here and 7 p.m. And then so 7. Oh, wow. Wait, what? Oh, so I'm 2 hours ahead right now. Now it's 11. Seven. Yeah, 7 to meet the oopsies. And then let's add guest. Oh, okay. I think that's I forgot. Let's log into LinkedIn. Doesn't work here anymore. What? What? Consultant. It's cultivity. Oh. Anyways, exporting. Ah, ah, ah. Okay, cool. Let me go back in here. And then boom, this. Okay, cool. How do I go back to like just exit out? Contacts. Okay, so these are messages, I guess. So I should probably go to leads, individual scrapes. Here you go. It's because this one doesn't. She doesn't have. Michaela doesn't have a whatchamacallit. And I don't have her Instagram, so yeah. Partnerships, product and content marketing. I don't think I spelled that right. Let me see if ChatGPT can improve this. Hi, I am about to send out emails to colleagues that I used to work with. Comma, I'm going to send you the copy. I want to see if you can improve it. This is actually pretty Damn, this is better than what I wrote. Hold up. God damn. Does this work? Let me just check that the link works. Oh. Okay, one person sent two for sure. She's gonna say yes. These are like colleagues. Um, I have also another friend, but I have to hit him up on WhatsApp because he's in Colombia. And I don't even think I have him on LinkedIn, to be honest. Bernard. Yeah, I don't think I have him. Green. And he's such like a Bernard is such like a very self-captive person. I don't even think he'd share like who he's working for. Like he's very he keeps to himself. He's not on Instagram and all that. Wait, so if she left product marketing, then they must have hired someone else. Dang. Wait, they're at 700,000 or 700? Oh, who's this? Damn. There's when I joined. Why did I like, how did I know she was from like California? Like I just knew she's from like Orange County somehow. She just looks like that. Or is it because the background looks like Cal State Long Beach? Wait, where did she go to school? Oh, Chapman University. And she was in a sorority. Anytime. Okay, I want to watch this because I've been watching a lot of like TikToks, and dude, the Gen Zs on TikTok are so good at like video editing and capturing attention, and they really focus on retention based editing, which is like super crazy because every like 3 seconds there's something popping into like the screen, showing an example, an icon, flashes, zooms in, zooms out, audio, like sound design, and I want to see what, I'm assuming he's a millennial like me, how their videos look like. Because if I attack this not poor poor choice of words. If my strategy, what I meant to say, sorry, whoa, don't cancel me. Back up, back up. What I meant to say is, if I were to enter in the game of LinkedIn video like he is and strategize with what retention based TikTokers are, with retention based editing on LinkedIn, I wonder what that would look like.
All right, let's get into example number one. So the CEO of Dovetail noticed that his, hey everybody, I'm Jason and welcome to this video edition of.
So right off the bat, there's no like engaging hook. He's like, hey, it's Jason. From TikTok, what I've been watching is no one cares who you are. They care about like themselves. So it's like the hook has to be like, here's how you're gonna take your blah 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 to like blah 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 blah. Like it's like, here's how you are going to elevate your game by 30% without lifting a finger, or like, here's how you're gonna stop losing deals consecutively month over month, or something like that. I'm just doing it off the top of my head, but um, right off the bat, like the hook, and I want to see like more so. Let's watch it twice. The first one, let's pay attention to the video and like the effects that he has, and then the second one, we'll listen to the script. Or let's do the opposite. The script first, and then the video.
Hey everybody, I'm Jason and welcome to this video edition of PMM Files, a series where I share 3 cool product marketing examples and what we can learn from them. All right, let's get into example number 1. So the CEO of Dovetail noticed that his sales team was creating ugly, poorly positioned proposals on their own. So his web team built dovetail.com/buy. This is an interactive, fun, completely hands-free way for their champions to build proposals to help convince their boss to buy Dovetail. Users select their challenges and requirements. Those are then mapped to product value and features. The tool then generates a linkable, downloadable PDF proposal. Go to dovetail.com/buy if you want to check out this really smart buyer enablement example. I love how Lemon Squeezy is differentiating in the very crowded space of payments platforms. They know that their target market of small software businesses and entrepreneurs struggle with admin things like taxes. So a big part of their positioning is how they act as your merchant of record. This removes a huge burden for their customers so they can focus more on running and growing their business and less on administrative tasks. Go to their website lemonsqueezy.com and check out their positioning for yourself. Here's a really smart sidecar product from Senja, not to mention a handy tool for product marketers. For context, Senja is a tool that helps you collect and display testimonials on your website. They also let you pull in reviews from review platforms like G2. So they created a simple tool that analyzes your profile across multiple review sites and tells you what customers love about your product in their own words. In particular, for product marketers, this comes in handy for things like messaging research. It also analyzes what customers don't like and areas where you can improve on your product. And to get those insights, you need to sign up for their free account. By that time, they already have your reviews imported into their platform, which is a great way to speed along the process of onboarding. Pretty smart. Go to senja.com, scroll to their footer, and click on Mind My Reviews to check out the tool for yourself. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching this edition of PMM Files. Now, if you want 5 product marketing examples like this in your inbox every week, go to my profile, click the link to subscribe to the PMM Files newsletter. Thanks. We'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, let's watch it again with the.
Hey everybody, I'm Jason and welcome to this video.
So one thing I noticed right off the bat is that there's no subtitles. It does like some zooms in, but like the first second. Like kind of like zooms in. It takes too long. Whoa. It's really static. Like there's no. What I would do is I would have like. I would do the auto captions on CapCut, and then for like really important words, I would use a different font and a different like animation to like really focus on that. I would also use sound design when like the word like if it's like a specific word that I want to change the font on, or it's a different font from the auto captions, I'm gonna have it like whoosh in, add like the whoosh sound effect. And I think like every 5 seconds, I would have something happening in the video, whether it's like zooming in really quickly and zooming out, or like a picture, an icon of something, it could be someone writing, something like happening to keep people engaged. Yeah, dude, it's like, yeah, I would make it interesting. I'd have like a video of me and like scrolling like that. Interesting. It has a lot of engagement. Dude. Okay. I think I'm gonna call it because it's getting late and I want to. But yeah, I think, okay, next steps for tomorrow are, well, one is the interview. I mean, sorry, the podcast. I messaged Marsha. I think because Marsha was the director of product marketing, and it wasn't the best relationship with her. It wasn't the closest, I'd say. So I think my best bet is having maybe a couple people on, having Michaela, and having my friend Bernard, hopefully, and then having hopefully Rosanna. I want to do a press release for Rosanna. So I think ideally I want to have Michaela on before Rosanna, and then after Michaela have Rosanna on. But if I have by that time though, I'll probably be back in the U.S. so that my it'll change. Like my background will change, and I like my background. I like how you see like the light right here, the green light, like right here, dude. That like adds a lot of like depth perception to the video. It makes my video look more dynamic, which I really love. Like that at least just looks awesome. Honestly, it does. It looks awesome. I really like it. Like that's like the one thing that I like about all of Argentina. Legitly is just like that background. It looks really nice. And I really I'm gonna focus whenever I travel to another country. I'm gonna put a lot of time in the space I'm living in, like my apartment, because it's really important. One thing I lack is the lighting though. I'm lucky that at night it looks pretty nice, but other than that, like yeah, it's like kind of hard. Me finish this off by going and doing. Okay, perfect. Actually, I don't need to. Oh, we never played with we'll do that tomorrow. Actually, one last thing I want to do is I want to check the console pages. Uh, 25 are not being indexed. Blog. That makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. Page with redirect to. Whoa, hold up. Crawled, currently not indexed. Why? Oh, there's nothing on it though, that's why. Template, tracker. What? Oh wait, hold on. This is what matters. Sorry, I was like tripping. So this is what matters. So template is not crawl, template is not crawl, template, blog, decoding. This is another one that I need to inspect. Non-detected referring page, request indexing. I think it's because I made it after I submitted the site plans. Crawled, yes, successful. Okay, and then let's go back to pages. All submitted. So these are fine that it's not. This one I think I already have it set to request indexing. Okay, let's go performance now. Pages. Let's do last 7 days. Whoa. Holy. Damn. That one got a lot of freaking. Yo. 106 impressions. Average CTR. Nothing though. So people aren't clicking? What does impressions mean? Is how many times a user saw a link to your site in search results. This is calculated differently for images and other search result types depending on whether or not the result was scrolled into you. Okay. Clue login. Clue competitive intelligence. Accelerating business growth. Competitor deep dive analysis. I think I might need a competitor deep dive analysis. Is something that I might want to make a blog post on. Around competitive intelligence. I could do like Clue competitive intelligence. I could probably do like a product marketer's personal experience using Clue or something. Maybe that will get clicks because it's appearing. It's actually getting a lot of impressions, but just no one's clicking on it. And the blog post is exploring competitive intelligence platforms. A deep dive into Clue, Crayon, and alternatives for startups. I don't even know what the meta, like the title is. Title and meta page. I guess that's why that's really important. Like the title and the meta page, the description. I mean, the title and the meta description are really important. That's what'll show up on the search results. I should focus on that. Okay, you know what? Let's get started with that. SEO. Damn, I wasn't able to sleep. Now I can't sleep. SEO assistant. That's crazy, dude. Sitemap. Ah. Yeah, the templates pages. So we'll go. Here, I want to go back and watch this video on YouTube. I want to see.
Shout out to my friend Ed for telling me that this update had just happened, although at the same time I hate you. I was in bed, ready to go to sleep. But basically ChatGPT is just
Let's watch it together.
Experienced one of the biggest updates we have ever seen. So, they had a dev day today, and they've released some new models and a couple of other things that I've been waiting for, specifically the DALL-E 3 API. This is super cool, super interesting. So, one of the biggest updates that we have just seen from today is the following. If you ask ChatGPT 3.5 who is the CEO of Twitter, obviously it's going to tell you that it's Jack Dorsey, because in 2022 he was the CEO of Twitter. However, if we activate the newest model right here and we say who is the CEO of Twitter, you'll see that as of my last update in early 2023, Elon Musk was the CEO of Twitter after acquiring the company in October 2022. So, what does this mean? It means that there has now been an update which will take ChatGPT up all the way to April 2023. And I'm telling you right now, it will not be long until ChatGPT is live and is following us as things happen. Another super interesting update as well, and it's a little bit ridiculous to be honest with you, is that the maximum length has been upgraded all the way up to 128,000 tokens. Now, the output is limited to 4,096, but the input, or the system, is, you can literally put an entire book into ChatGPT now. Now, it will cost a little bit of money, of course, but... And this is super interesting actually, because I actually made a video today and I was complaining about how slow ChatGPT was. Now we all know what was happening, okay? But it's turbo, and they've reduced the price, okay? So as we can see right here, we released the first version of GPT-4 in March and made GPT-4 generally available to all developers in July. Today we're launching a preview of the next generation of this model, GPT-4 Turbo. So I do have this, thank God. I do have early access, which is nice. GPT-4 Turbo is more capable and has more knowledge, and also knowledge up to events of April 2023. It has 128,000 context windows, so it can fit the equivalent of more than 300 pages of text in one single prompt. This is really good for me because, I don't know, not everyone knows this, but I love my really big long prompts. We also optimized its performance, so we are able to offer GPT-4 Turbo at a 3 times cheaper price for input tokens and a 2 times cheaper price for output tokens compared to GPT-4. So it's now half as expensive for output and 3 times cheaper for input. This is such a massive turn on code interpreter. I'm very intrigued by this. I'll have a video on this tomorrow based on our experience of a set. I talked about this. This is basically a content automator. It automates content making. But now what we can do, and I'm going to use the playground for this, I'm just going to ask this to add this function. Can you change this script to also produce a featured image using a prompt generated by ChatGPT that uses the keyword and then outputs a featured image blog post using the API. Okay, and then we'll give it the maximum is too low here. The thing is, it gets very big very quickly. A little bit of a problem, to be honest with you. So this needs to be on less than, it needs to be on 4,000, I think. Submit that. Okay, let's see let's see if this would even work. DALL-E 3, how does it know the prompt equivalently faster? It's such a massive update for me. We're gonna have to put the my secret key here. Quick types of wedding attire. Description of this video, it'll be in the GitHub. This one is also just finished, so we might as well just quickly test this one as well. Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you probably the biggest step up that OpenAI or ChatGPT has done in terms of SEO for a long time. I made a video yesterday about GPT-4 1106 preview, but in that video I did tell you that they had released something called Assistants as well. Now, I have been testing assistants, and I want to tell you right now, this is completely insane. This is a huge game changer for a couple of reasons. Number one, it has code interpreter inside of it, which means we can visualize data, which brings more unique content to each article you write. Number two, every single output is longer and still well formatted, just like ChatGPT or using the playground normally, but with the power of custom instructions and data analysis. So what you want to do is you want to go to platform.openai.com/assistants, and then you want to press create. We'll just call it SEO bot, doesn't really matter. And then I have a list of custom instructions right here. So we'll use two men as an example, okay? And I'm going to show you how I make my custom instructions, because I do think that's important to note, and yeah, not everyone will know how I make them. So to make a custom instruction, what I've actually been doing is I've been using ChatGPT itself to create a custom instruction. Now this is important because this is a part of the process, so I'll just go through this very quickly. What you want to do is you want to go on browse with Bing, and you want to say, can you research what a ChatGPT custom instruction is? Now the reason that you want to do this is oftentimes it's better to let ChatGPT learn for itself than to tell or give ChatGPT information. Okay, so you can see here ChatGPT custom instructions are a feature that allows users to personalize the AI's responses according to their specific preferences. Okay, here's how you can set up blah, doesn't really matter. What matters is that it understands what a custom instruction is, okay? What you then want to do, and it says here 1,500 characters for each section, so just to make sure that it fully understands what a custom instruction is, just say how many custom instruction, well, it's actually answered it here. So normally what I would say is how many custom instruction boxes are there, but you can see here it said it's recommended to provide ChatGPT with information about yourself in the first box, and then include instructions on how you want it to respond in the second box. So what I normally do is I give my custom instruction that I created for two men, which I will leave in the description, and then you give it the second box. Okay, so we'll say, after this we'll say first box. We'll get rid of all this stuff here about these are my brands, etc, etc. We just need basic information. Okay, so this is actually second box, and first box. The only reason I'm showing you this is because this is a super important part of this. Okay, so then what you want to do is you want to take your business. So let's say we're, I don't know, we're writing.
So we'll do this. Oh, well, let's call it a GTM Labs SEO assistant, and then we'll paste it. Jesus. Okay. And then we'll use, go to Sheets, V2. That. Model. Preview. Oh. Oh. We could upload like yo, that's crazy. How many of these can I upload? Actually, let's get, how do you get rid of these? That's awesome. Damn. That's crazy. We learned that we should do, what was a keyword? Competitor deep dive analysis. Oh. All right, let's see what he does, because
creating a website called Mattress Land. Okay, so we want to say create a instruction. If you're intelligent and you know how to use functions or descriptions, I won't leave it in the description. And put the instructions, some instructions, then we'll go back to assistant, and we're just going to put the instructions here, and put the instructions here. We'll get rid of this internal linking thing here. I'll show you why in a second, but let's just get rid of it. So we'll just scroll up. You won't have this in the descriptions. I won't leave it in the description. Okay, and then model, you want to do GPT-4 1106. You could also just do GPT normal. And then we want to turn code interpreter on. If you're intelligent and you know how to use functions, also use functions and potentially retrieval. If you have a lot of your company data or images or whatever it might be, you can also upload them into files. Now, I'm not sure what the actual limit here is. So what I'm actually going to do as well is I'm going to go to my sitemap XML, and I'm going to go to collections here, okay? And then I do have a little Chrome extension here called sitemap to clipboard, so sitemap to clipboard. You can just download this. I wonder how many downloads this actually has now, because I have talked about this a few times now. 249 active users, good job. Have our assistant. So now, thank God for that. That should just copy direct more your blogs as well. So we'll click here again, press start. That should just copy directly. Oh, there we go. You can make it bigger. Thank God for that. Okay, so then we're going to press save here. And we'll press save again. We now have our assistant. So now we can click on playground. And we actually have everything set up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, write a 1,500 word article for 2men.it. Now, there are a couple of problems with this. So actually I'm going to say, please make sure the key takeaways table is correctly formatted, and also visualize some data about the topic in the topic. Okay, so now we're just going to press add and run here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on logs, so I'll actually explain what's going on here. And this is the super cool part of this, okay? So if I can find this, it's actually going to create its own prompt, okay? So this is the prompt that I gave it. And we'll see in a minute what it actually does. So, okay, so the output here, as you can see, is decent. However, this isn't quite there yet. It's not quite perfect. Once this is fully perfect, this is going to be an absolute game changer. And the fact that you can upload your files, you could upload images, you could upload, documents, you could upload already written articles, you can use retrieval, and also functions. Now, this will be something that will change the game. Basically, you can do something like, if you're good at coding, you could do a Google search, find out what's already ranking for that particular article, and then use a function to take that information and then, reverse engineer it. But obviously, I'm not quite there with my coding abilities. Also, for some reason, the tables just get completely messed up. Now, this does require a bit of editing. Also, it hasn't visualized any data. So what I'm going to say is, can you put the key takeaways table at the top in its own markdown table? And also, please visualize some data to increase the ability of the article. So we'll say add and run here. If you're curious, the first run here was 750 words, which is already longer than ChatGPT. That's not the only thing. The other thing it's done is it's actually successfully done internal links. Okay.
All right, let's see what it's done. DTM's assistant. All right, exploring the depths, the power of competitor deep dive analysis. In the vast sea of nah, it's not good. think this one is better. What was the boom, there we go. And then links. Oh, let me see. The art of comparative deep dive. Oh, yeah, wait, I updated this though. Guess not. Yeah. Yo, that's crazy. Damn, that's crazy. All right, time to get time to get the notion out. Damn, that's crazy, dude. Docs, add a new one. The keyword was what? I'm curious, what does, if we were to go and use this tool to detect, what would it say? Boom. Yeah, detect. Okay, cool. No, that's good. That's good. That's good. Cool. So we have it. I conduct deep dives, competitor analysis, mapping out the competitor landscape, leveraging inclusion. That's crazy. Okay, cool. Awesome. So I have that assist. I'm playing with that more. That's for GTM Labs. But awesome. All right, I'm gonna end it now and see you guys tomorrow.